Hi guys, in this video we will see a very important and secret feature of WhatsApp chat. You can easily create a poll in your WhatsApp chat. Open any WhatsApp chat and go to any individual contact. Now we will see create a WhatsApp poll. Tap on plus icon at the bottom left corner and here you will find the option poll. Tap on it. Here a window will open. Here first type your question and multiple types answers you will find. For example, we will ask what would you like to take in lunch. What would you like to take in lunch? And options are under option fields. Tap on it. Provide options. You can add another polls. And you will find a option allow multiple answers. If you want to allow multiple answers, one can choose any one of two, then turn on, otherwise turn off, and finally tap on save. And you can see your poll is successfully sent to group or individual chat, and it will be answered accordingly. That's all.